Wow, what a beautiful day it is today. Enjoy it while it lasts because we have about a week of rain straight. So still kind of adjusting to the leap it takes to get from here to there with the 3.5-inch kit installed. But rule number one, never slide off your seat. Always jump over the side because, well, we don't want to damage that. It might be a good idea in the near future to invest in some side steps, but at the same time, I don't really want to rob my truck of the ground clearance, and those tend to do that. I know there are also the kinds that are retractable and hide themselves underneath the truck, but those cost a bag, and I'm not trying to spend that much on something that I can't even see. So also, huge shout out to everyone that suggested this 3.5-inch lift kit. I literally could not be happier with the decision of going with the 3.5 over the 2. Back to the subject at hand, here we have the last fit LED lighting that we're going to be installing into the cargo lamp area here of the new Ram. Up top there, everything else came LED on this truck from the factory, from the headlights to the turn signals front and back, brake lights, tail lights, license plate lights. Literally everything is LED already except for the third brake light and those 2 cargo lamps right there, which are currently a very dull yellow bulb. Therefore, we are going to be replacing the bulbs up top there with these LED lights from last fit. I can't get over how crazy these things look. These are a T15, which does cross-reference with T10, 194, 921. There's a whole list of part numbers you can cross-reference these with. Very widely used on pretty much every cargo lamp up top there for the pickup trucks. Reverse lights, puddle lights, map lights, dome lights. Very wide range of use for this particular part number. But yeah, today they are going in the cargo lamps up there. So let's grab some tools, which shouldn't be more than a screwdriver Phillips head. And that's about it. Also, what do you guys think of the newly wrapped roof up top here in satin black? Pretty fresh. The wrap has begun, though we have not picked out a color for the full body yet, but we might have. Now, as you guys can imagine, this could be a very, very complicated process picking a color with how many there are to offer out there, but I'm pretty sure I've nailed it down to 3. Option number 1 is going to be matte slate metallic blue. What do you guys think of this? Don't know if you guys can fully see it, but there is a metallic undertone to it. Then we have matte indigo. Matte indigo is top of my list right now, so it's almost like a matte navy blue. It looks really dark right now, but when the direct sunlight hits it, as you guys can see in this photo right here on that Tesla Model 3, I found that on some forum, it does lighten up quite a bit. That's the thing about these little sample pieces here, is it always gets a lot lighter when you scale it out onto the full body of a car. These little samples right here don't do as much justice as they should. That is number 1 on my list right now. I think that would look really cool because at nighttime, it would look super stealth and really cool. But when the sunlight hits it, it turns into a really nice blue. So I might go with this one, honestly. We'll see. And for number 3, I was kind of debating on going back to the satin flip volcanic flare like I did on the Silverado, but I do need to do something different, I think, because, well, I've already done it. So with that being said, there is a really nice selection of color changing wraps that is offered by Avery. One of those is called Satin Urban Jungle, which is going to be a silver and a green. So this is a color changing wrap. This one's called Satin Roaring Thunder, which is a blue and a red. But I don't know, I'm torn. I don't know which way to go with this. Like I said, there's a lot of cool options to go with. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below on which color you think so far we should go with. Should we go with a matte metallic slate blue? Should we go with matte indigo? Should we go with a color changing wrap? If so, let me know and I'll try to decide on some more color changing wraps for you guys. In the meantime, we're not here for that today. We are here to do an LED upgrade on the back of the truck. So let's get to it. Welcome to the world's easiest install. We have 4 screws here. I'm gonna do this with one hand. Just loosen that. After the 4 screws have been removed, we're simply just going to pull it away from the truck. All we gotta do is disconnect that one cable and it breaks free from the truck itself. Now all we gotta do is twist off this part here. And just like that, out with the old, in with the new. That is a massive light. What? Now let's do a comparison. All right, moment of truth, let's compare. Okay. Yeah, we can't see it too well right now, but I can tell you guys this, that is absolutely brighter. Much better comparison if the sun went down. Wouldn't that be fantastic? Oh, wait. What do you know? What do you know? The sun went down. Let's fire up those cargo lamps and see what we are working with. Okay. Dang. Yeah, those are borderline obnoxious. All right, so we're gonna take a few steps this way and see what we got as far as distance. Oh my gosh, that is still bright. Now I'll flash my turn signals just to kind of show you guys a comparison of the LED turns against the cargo lamps. And they're still outshining them. What? I don't know why the manufacturers of these trucks still insist on putting halogen bulbs in the cargo lamp area, considering we actually need that to be pretty bright to light up what's in the bed of our truck. So, and just like that, it is a brand new day. It started absolutely pouring last night, following our homie in the Ford Focus ST and our other buddy back there in the BMW wagon. I don't know where we're going or where he's taking us, but we're out here. Yo, I'm not trying to sit out there in the rain, but yo, I hope he does something cool. Here he comes. Oh my gosh. Wow. Dang, that turbo sounds so sick. That was crazy.
I spun out.
I seen that. You did a full-blown 360 over there. I have a slight hunch that you're about to send it.
Probably.
I'd say you properly broke the ST in by now.
Yeah. Well, it's not an RS, so it's not all-wheel drive.
Yeah, you're in there. Okay, well. Oh my gosh. That's how you send it. Well, we got it out.
We did get it out with some good pushes from the old Brenner.
Let's call on the ST. We have properly broken in both whips. Well, it was a little bit of a journey getting to where we are right now. It did require some mud to get here, so the Focus is gone. He is no longer with us. So I want to give some of you guys at home something to do on your downtime, which we all seem to have a lot of right now. I'm giving away 2 sets of the T15 last fit bulbs to put into your truck as well. Entering to win is super simple. All you do is go to my Instagram page at instagram.com/mark_Brenner, comment on the most recent Instagram photo of the truck. That photo is going live on the Instagram page. As soon as this video goes up, that photo will be up. Comment below on that photo and then DM me, let me know that's been done, and I'll pick a winner on April 12th at 12 noon Pacific Standard Time. I will DM the 2 winners the code that you will take to Last Fit's website for your free set of LED bulbs for your truck as well. It does not get easier than that, so do it to it. Hopefully you win. Even in the daytime, you can still see these lamps loud and clear. I'm super impressed with that. Okay, so up here we have a microfiber towel, we have isopropyl alcohol, we have knifeless cutting tape, and we have taillight tint right here. So I'm going to be tinting just the red portion of my third brake light, not the cargo lamps, just the red part right here. I'm going to cut out the tint right around the red part, only using the knifeless cutting tape. And yes, we can use this on the taillight tint here from Vivid. See right there, it says Vivid Plus. Now this is a vinyl, which is amazing to work with because it's a dry apply. Unlike the majority of taillight tints on the market, they are a wet apply, which makes life really difficult and very hard to achieve a successful result. You can heat it up, you can stretch it, it's just so easy to work with. It comes in light, it comes in dark, it comes in matte, and it comes in gloss. So yeah, I highly recommend this stuff, I love it. I'm gonna outline just the red part of the third brake light with the knifeless cutting tape. I'm gonna clean the surface first using isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber towel. Then I'll outline it with the tape and then lay down the tint, and we're gonna have a tinted third brake light. So let's get to it. you guys can see, it is very similar to applying vinyl wrap. Very, very installation friendly. So yeah, linked in the description below for you guys is the vinyl tint and also the knifeless cutting tape here as well. And just like that, it is starting to rain yet again. California just don't quit lately. And that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will catch you guys on the next one. Till then, peace out.